The basics of APA citation style. When you use sources in your research paper, you must properly cite every source that you include in your paper to avoid plagiarism and to give credit to the authors of the sources that you use. To cite a source means to tell your readers where a quote or a piece of information came from when the words and ideas are not your own. The most common citation styles are the APA and the MLA. The citation style that you use depends on your field. In this video, we are going to talk about the APA citation style. We will first talk about the general APA formatting guidelines, then we will talk about how to create a title page for your research paper. We will also learn the basics of in-text citations of the main text of your paper. In the last part of this video, we will learn how to create a reference list for your paper. Here are some general APA formatting guidelines. Your paper should be double-spaced, have 1-inch margin on all sides of the page, be written in Times New Roman and in 11 or 12 point font size, and have page numbers in the upper right-hand corner. The title page is the first page of your paper. It should include the title of the paper, the author's last name, and the institutional affiliation. The information should be centered on the page. You also need to include a page header at the top of the page. Your page header for the title page should look like this. After the title page, the page header only needs to include the title of your paper. When you incorporate source into your research paper, you can either directly quote the authors or paraphrase them. Try to use both direct and indirect quotations in your paper. When you quote the author directly, you need to include the author's last name, the year of publication, and the page number in your in-text reference. Now, look at these two examples. Both examples are directly quoting the author's idea that marriage has changed because America has changed. In the first example, the sentence begins with a signal phrase that includes the author's last name followed by the year of publication. The page number goes after the quotation. In the second example, since the author's last name is not introduced in the signal phrase, you need to place the author's last name, the year of publication, and the page number at the end of the quotation. When you paraphrase the author's ideas, you only need to include the author and year of publication for the reference. Each source that you cite in the text of your paper must be added to your reference list. Your reference list should be on a new page after your conclusion. It should have the heading references at the top centered. Use hanging indent format for each entry, meaning all lines after the first line of each entry should be indented 1/2 inch from the left margin. Also, the entries should be arranged alphabetically according to the last name of the first author of each work. The reference list at the end of your paper includes several pieces of information: authors, year of publication, chapter title or journal article title, title of book or journal, volume and issue number, and page number. There are a number of online citation tools you can choose from to generate a reference list in APA style. For example, Citation Machines, BibMe, CiteFast, and EasyBib. For more details about APA citation style, see the publication manual of the American Psychological Association.